Hi there, Sharon Otaguro, your business advisor with InSPAration Management. And today we are talking about mastering financial management, giving you practical strategies for your medical spa as owners to ensure profitability and growth. Now, running a medical spa successfully is a rewarding but challenging endeavor. Between providing top-notch services, keeping up with the latest technologies, generating revenue, and managing a team of professionals, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. And some of the most critical aspects of running a successful medical spa is managing your cash flow, budgeting effectively, and ensuring profitability while investing in business growth. At InSPAration Management, we understand these challenges deeply, and we're here to offer practical strategies to help you navigate these financial complexities and achieve your long-term success. So let's understand the financial landscape. Financial management in a medical spa involves more than just balancing the books. It requires a strategic approach to ensure that every dollar spent contributes to spa's growth and sustainability. And here's some common financial challenges faced by medical spa owners and the practical strategies to address them. Number one is cash flow management. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. Without adequate cash flow, even the most profitable med spa can face financial difficulties. And here's some tips to manage your cash flow effectively. First is tracking cash flow regularly. Use accounting software to monitor your cash flow on a weekly basis, and this will help identify any potential shortfalls before they become critical. Next is optimize your payment terms. Negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers and encourage VIP enrollment to have recurring revenue and ensure timely payments and a positive cash flow. And then maintain a cash reserve. Keeping a cash reserve equivalent to at least 3 months of operating expenses will help you cover unexplained costs and slow periods in your business. Number two is effective budgeting. Create and adhere to a medical spa budget. This is crucial for financial stability. A well-planned budget allows you to allocate resources effectively and make informed decisions about the investments and expenses that you need to make. So here's how to create an effective budget. Let's first analyze historical data. Review your past financial statements and understand your revenue and your expense patterns, and this will help you to set realistic budget targets. Then set clear goals. Define your financial goals, such as increasing revenue by a certain percentage or reducing operational costs. Then align your budget with these goals. And finally, monitor and adjust consistently. So regularly compare the actual performance against your budget and make adjustments as needed to reflect the changes in the business environment or your operational needs. Then number three is ensure profitability. Profitability is not just about increasing revenue, but also about managing expenses and optimizing your operations. So here's some strategies to ensure profitability. First is to analyze your profit margin. Identify which services and products have the highest profit margin and focus on promoting these services. Consider discontinuing or reevaluating less profitable offerings and adjust consistently. Then control your costs. So product cost in a medical spa is one of your highest expenses, and it can quickly get out of hand. Regularly review your expenses to identify areas that you can cut your costs without compromising quality. And this could include renegotiating supplier contracts, reducing waste, or implementing energy-saving measures. And then invest in training. A well-trained medical spa team can deliver higher quality services more efficiently, and this leads to increased client satisfaction, higher ticket programs, and retail sales. And then finally, number four is investing in your business growth and new technologies. Investing in growth and new tech is essential for staying ahead of the curve and competitive. And here's how to invest wisely. Make sure you're always doing a cost-benefit analysis. So before you invest in any new technologies or equipment or expanding your services, analyze first the potential costs and your ROI or return on investment. This ensures that the investment will generate a positive return and you can plan by when that return will occur. Then explore financing options. If you need to finance significant investments, explore various options such as business loans, leasing, line of credit, and understand what your options are so that you can choose the one that best suits your financial situation and your growth plan. And always plan for scale. So ensure that your investments can scale with your business. For example, making sure that you choose the software and the solution that can grow with your client base and the service offerings that you will be offering in the future. There are a lot of financial programs and resources, and at InSPAration Management, we offer a range of tools and resources that are specifically designed to help medical spa owners manage their financial stability, their effectiveness, and to achieve their business goals. So here's some of the key resources available for you. The first is a financial assessment. You can reserve an assessment to help evaluate your current financial situation and importantly identify the areas that you need to improve immediately. By analyzing your financial statements, your cash flow, and your budgeting practices, we can provide tailored recommendations to enhance your financial management efforts and set you on the path to profit. The next one is our budgeting and forecasting tool. We offer a do-it-yourself or customizable budgeting and forecasting product, and this will provide a financial blueprint for you to implement the strategies for success. These templates are designed to help you track expenses, you set your revenue targets, then you monitor your performance and set your operational plans against a budget. Next is our pricing calculator. Most medical spa businesses don't generate the profit that they deserve due to incorrect pricing. They get carried away with discounts and playing price war games, or they set their price ranges based on competition. Bad idea. Instead, we've created a pricing calculator to help you set up the proper pricing for all your medical spa treatments and ensure that you have healthy profits. This is from Botox to fillers to laser treatments. Your entire medical aesthetic menu will be priced properly. And we have a new financial management and reporting program. The FMRP is a monthly financial reporting program that will provide you with clarity for your medical spa. On a monthly basis, you'll receive financial reports, income statements, so your profit and loss, your balance sheet, cash flow statement, and more. And we will meet with you so that any questions you have will be addressed immediately. So no more guessing if your business is healthy or not. All of these programs are available immediately, so you can download the program that makes sense. And as a special gift to you, we are offering a complimentary financial assessment. So as part of our commitment to helping medical spa owners succeed, we've set aside specific times so that we can assess your business and provide you with a detailed analysis of your current situation, the personalized recommendations to help you succeed, and recommendations for which financial management practices are right for you. So simply schedule your complimentary assessment and our financial experts will help you realize the proper steps needed to gain financial health. Now, by implementing the strategies outlined in this article and leveraging the tools and resources available from InSPAration Management, you can navigate any financial challenge with confidence and achieve your long-term success. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and we understand the unique challenges that you're facing, and we're here to offer support, guidance, and practical solutions. Together, we can ensure that your medical spa not only survives, but thrives in any competitive marketplace. So for more information and to access the range of financial management resources, Visit InSPArationManagement.com or contact us today to schedule your complimentary assessment. Let's work together and turn your financial challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Until then, stay inspired.